It is officially Google Pixel update time. So, yes, we have the monthly security patch and update for the Google Pixel phones. It is now out and it's available. You can get it OTA, which means over the air, which means you can download it directly to your phone, right? And that's something that, of course, we as Google Pixel owners want. And this is for the Pixel 6 and newer phones. So that means Pixel 6, Pixel 7, Pixel 8, Pixel 9, and the Pixel Fold phones, all those good ones. So all the ones in between too, the A series, the Pixels, the Pros, all of that. And you can get it now. And of course, I like to do this because there's always new Pixel guys out there. So bear with me if you know this already. To get the system update, you swipe down from your home screen, you go to settings, then we scroll down until we get to system. And then there's an option right there for software updates. Tap on that, and then there'll be an option for system update. Tap on that, and then we'll see, mine shows system up to date, checking for update, up to date still, but yours may be there. And this is one of those things where it's a rolling update. What does a rolling update mean? It means that it's one of those things where it's going to be rolling out over the next couple days, rolling out throughout the week to all you great, lovely Pixel fans who want to get this for your phone. So if it's not there immediately, don't fret, right? This isn't something you're like, oh my gosh, my phone's not going to work anymore. I don't have the update. It's not the end of the world. It's just one of those things where every month they come out with a security patch. It has all the stuff that updates and keeps the security stuff regularly and timely updated on your phone, so that way you know that your phone is always secure. And that's one of the great benefits about the Google Pixel phones is you get the monthly security patches. We just got the quarterly feature drop, which was the new version of Android, right? So that's one of the great benefits about having a Google Pixel phone, especially in the Tensor era. You've got Android 16. Other people, they got Android 15. They got One UI 7 or One UI 8 beta. Like they're not there yet. They're not on this level. So that's why one of the reasons why I made a video a couple weeks ago saying that Google is king of the Android phones again. And of course they should be, right? This is something I've talked about for years. I'm like, look, Google makes Android. Google makes the Pixel phones. Like, why is there so much disharmony between the phones and getting timely updates, making sure everything on all the phones is updated on time? It just was a mess for the longest time. And it's like once they got on the Tensor platform, they were having trouble because they still had phones with the Snapdragon. We're all in on Tensor now, and we're just over a month away. Like supposedly, I believe August 20th, we're going to be having the launch of the Pixel 10 series phones. That means Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, Pixel 10 Pro Fold. As long as we get all four of those should launch all at the same time. We just got Android 16. So there's a lot of excitement. There's a lot of buzz. There's a lot of excitement in the Google Pixel world. And this is just another one of those things. It's a monthly maintenance patch. If there's anything worthwhile or noteworthy, I will come back and then I will make a secondary video to tell you all about it. But yeah, it's one of those things where you want to go ahead and get it, download it, check a couple of times. One thing that Pixel is notorious for when it comes to these things, you see this button down at the bottom? You probably can't read it, but it says check for update. Little brown button. Tap that. A lot of times it'll pull up and say your system is up to date when really the update is there. And then you could just press that little button. You're like, oh, wow, it wasn't really up to date. Thank you, Google, for lying to my face. It's just a weird way their system update works. Their system updates, at least they're faster than they used to be. But this is one of those things. It should just be maintenance stuff. Maybe a couple little fixes here. Nothing too super crazy. And of course, like I said, Google is finally back to being king of the updates, king of getting Android out first, king of getting security patches out in a timely manner. And they've done such a phenomenal job ever since the Pixel 9 series phones came out. So it really lends itself to, I think, putting Google in a really good place, the Pixel platform in a really good place, because like I said, we're in July now. We should hopefully be getting the Pixel 10 series phones next month, and that's great. I love the Pixel phones. I've been covering them for a long time. I'm probably one of the most predominant channels on YouTube for Pixel coverage. And of course, I cover the updates. I let y'all know when the monthly security patches come out. I let y'all know when the quarterly feature drops come out. I let you know about the new features. I let you know about the new operating system, the new phones. I cover Pixel extensively. I really like their phones. I love their cameras. And I'm really liking what I'm seeing from the software and support side of the house. I was really kind of curious when they announced the phones and they're like, oh, yeah, we're going to give y'all 7 years of support. I'm like, well, 7 years, like support from y'all guys is historically not amazing. So can you really do 7 years? I felt more comfortable with Samsung in their 7 years, but it turns out Google's been doing a better job delivering on software updates, feature drops, updates, new OS, all that great stuff. They have been at the top. They have been beating Samsung, and as they should, right? It's their software, it's their wheelhouse, it's their home. Nobody should be coming into their home and doing it better than them when they have it first, right? So exciting times. Again, next month, we're going to see the Tensor 5, the first Tensor chip ever made by TSMC, who are like the masters of making chips. So we should get better chips. They should be more efficient. And a lot of people are really excited to see what we get on that home front. But all that, going to go ahead and wrap it up. Nothing too crazy today. This is your monthly security patch. If there's anything super more important, detailed you need to know, I will follow up on this later. But I wanted to go ahead and get this out so that way you can go ahead, check for the update, see if it's there. Again, if it's not there today, don't worry. It's not that big of a deal. It's not the end of the world. It's good. Go ahead and grab it when you can, but don't be sitting around going, oh no, my phone's so vulnerable, I can't use it until I get the update. Take a chill pill. Wait. Check again in the evening. Check tomorrow, whatever. You should get it hopefully in this next week. So that's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, of course, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.